Hi, first graders. Happy Monday. I hope that you had a good weekend. This week for our phonics, we are going to be focusing on three-letter blends. Now, if you think back all the way to the beginning of the year, we talked about two-letter blends, like BL in the word block or CR in the word crab. Now, a blend is what we've talked about before, is two letters that the sounds blend together, but they still make two sounds. Now, this week, we are going to be talking about three-letter blends. So it will be one, two, three letters that blend together, but they still make three sounds. Okay, let's review last week, which was our silent letter W for the sound silent letter K for the sound N, and silent letter G for the sound N. Then we will get started with our three-letter blends. All right, so we have WR, and in WR, the W is silent, so we have the E at the end makes the I say its name, I, t, word is right, good. Next one, we have KN, K is silent, so we have N, E, word is knee. Here's KN again, go, N, K, word is knock. Next one, WR again, word is try this one by yourself. Ready? Think. Word is wrote. Try this one. Word is wrong. Now, the last silent letter spelling that we have is GN, and the G is silent, so we have N, at. Word is gnat. Try this one by yourself. N. Word is night. Word is wrist. Next one. Word is good. Okay, now we're going to go into our three-letter blends. So when three consonants, now remember a consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. When three consonants appear together in a word, we oftentimes blend those three sounds together. Now, these are the letters S, P, and L. If we blend them all together, so we have spool, spool. Now, if you listen carefully, we still have three sounds. Spool, but when we blend them together, it sounds like spool. SPL says spool. What does it say? Good. Next ones we have S, C, R. So we have S, K, Blend them together. We have skr. What's the sound say? Skr. Good. Then we have SPR. If we sound them out, we have S, we put it all together, we have spur, spur. What does it say? Good. Next one, we have S, T, R. So we have we put it together, we have stir. What does it say? STR says stir. Next one, TH is a digraph, and TH has two sounds. It could say or the. Here it says, so we have so we have thir. What does THR say? Thir, thir. Next one, SH, which is another digraph. Remember, a digraph is when we have two letters or three letters that make one sound. So instead of saying huh, it says sh. So we have sh, together it says sure, sure. What does it say? Okay, let's try blending some together. Stir, eat. Word is street. SCR, we have skr, app. Word is scrap. Next word, SPL, we have spool, together says spool. Digraph, word is splash. What's the word? SPR, spur, out. Word is sprout. Next word, thir. So we have our TH, which says and then together it says thir. Word is three. Next word. Digraph sh says sh. Add we have sure. What's the word? Shrug. Sounds. Say them 2 times as they're underlined. Ready? Read. Stir. Stir. Ng. Ng. E. Skr. Skr. Ooh. Ooh. Spool. Spool. A. Or the. Or the. Sure. Sure. Ah. Ah. Ink. Ink. I. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Sp. Sp. Oh. Oh. Let's sound out some words together. Ready? Er. Ah. Ng. This is a blend, so we have strong. Word is strong. Blend here. Stir. Word is street. Next word. Blend. Skr. Word is scrub. Next word. Blend. Spur. Word is spray. Next one. Thir. Word is through. Next word. Word is split. Thir. Oh. Word is thrown. Next word. Blend. Stir. Word is straw. Sure. Ink says ink. We have shrink. Next word. Skr. Word is next word. Spur. This says word is spread. Next one, stir. We have silent E at the end. Word is strike. Keep going. Think. Say. The word is scrap. Think. Say. The word is throat. Next word, think. This is a tricky one. So we have our blend, stir, then because E is or G is followed by an E. So this word is strange. What's the word? Next word, think. This says ers. Word is writers. Next word, think. Say. Word is glued. Think. Say. Word is taught. Okay, we have two compound words. Compound words are two words put together to make a longer word. So we have knee, and pad. Put it together, the word is knee pad. Try this one on your own. Think. First part, say. Bed. Next part, say. Spread. Put it together. Bedspread. Okay, we are going to read some sentences. Think. Say. Is. Think. Say. Thread. Think. Say. As. Think. Say. Strong. Sight word is as. Think. Say. String. Let's read it together. Question mark at the end. Ready? Read. Is thread as strong as string? Next sentence. Sight word is we. Sight word is will. Next word. Think. Word is stroll. Sight word is down. Sight word is the. Think. Say. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. We will stroll down the street. Last sentence. Think. Say the word is 3. Think. Say the word is fish. Think. Say the word is splash. Sight word is in. Sight word is the. Think. Say the word is stream. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. 3 fish splashed in the stream. Okay, bling words this week. We are learning our number words this week. Okay, the first word is number 6. What's the word? 6. Spell it. S-I-X. Now you spell it. S-I-X. She has 6 brothers in her family. Okay, this word is 6. What's the word? This word is 1. What's the word? We spell 1 O-N-E. Your turn. O-N-E. Now this is like number 1. The one thing you should always do is be kind. The word is 1. What's the word? This word is 5. What's the word? We spell 5 F-I-V-E. Your turn. F-I-V-E. There are 5 days in a work week. This is the number 5. What's the word? This word is 4. What's the word? We spell 4 F-O-U-R. Your turn to spell it. Ready? Spell F-O-U-R. Cars have 4 wheels. This is the number 4. The word is 4. What's the word? And our last one this week is 3. What's the word? We spell 3 T-H-R-E-E. Your turn to spell it. Ready? Read. T-H-R-E-E. The number 3. Did you know that he has 3 dogs? What's the word? Hey, today we are reading Scrubbing Cars Clean. What's it called? Okay, so we have our 3-letter blends like STR and the word streaks. This word right here that is highlighted is called herd. What's the word? Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Check out this car. It has streaks of dirt all over. How can it get clean? Have you heard of a car wash? Next page. Sight word your. Word is front. What's this word? Your. What's this word? Front. Ready? Read. Take your car to get washed. It can be a thrill. There's a word that has a blend. The front of the car is first. Then get the wheels on the track and see it get clean. Okay, I'm going to just read this page for us. First, jets of water spray to get the car wet. Then, soap squirts out. The car passes through long, soft strips of cloth. The strips spread soap on the car. The car keeps rolling on the track. Water and soap splash on it to scrub off the dirt. Then, more jets stream fresh water on the car. Okay, a subject of a sentence is what a sentence is about. We use the pronoun I as the subject of the sentence. We use pronouns like me after a verb or a word, such as for, at, of, to, or between. So here we have I like to play ball. Who likes to play ball? I do. Will likes to play ball with me. Who does Will like to play with? Me. Let's look at a few more. I can throw the ball. Who? I. My dad and I play catch. Who? My dad and I. I is the person we're talking about. My dad showed me how to catch the ball. The verb is right here, showed. That's something that the dad is doing. And last one, He helps me get ready for the game. And there's our verb help. So we